Hey guys, it's me, Speedy Kitty 1. It is 7 p.m. in the night. 7:08 or 09, not sure. I don't know if I have the right time, but today it's about the golf cart again. Now I'm starting to see that people are liking my golf cart videos more. I'm getting a bit more. I'm getting comments, and people are getting subscribers. So those guys who commented expect to get much more subscribers. And Kenny Boo, I saw you on my Sped Up Flamingo video. I didn't know you knew that song. Sorry about that. If you want, I will delete it. Anyway, here's the golf cart. So everything's wired up. The headlights work. Let me do it quick. I don't want to waste the battery. It's not even a regular size battery. I think it's either smaller or bigger. Super bright. I think this is the Mad Jack's light kit. Yeah, the indicators don't really indicate. I think you have to get the... There you go. It has the light pull switch. As you can see, it even has brake lights, which don't really do the brake light thing, where when you brake it brightens. It's just tail lights, really. So, yeah, I have to park up where the pickup usually is to do this. You guys wouldn't be able to see it right there. It was too dark. Oh, and if you don't know what this thing is, mystery thing, it's the lawnmower. Look. Does anyone remember this? That was a good video. So, yeah, that's it really. We cleaned it off a bit. And here's what we got from golf carts. Let me take it off the paper. I want you guys to see this company if you want to get the light kit yourself. Golf Carts Universe, no shoutouts. Just wanted to show you these guys. They made the light kit, so I thought I would stick their flyer up on my golf cart. So this was Speedy Kitty 1. Please subscribe. And please remember that golf cart videos aren't that bad, because expect me to do a video where I mount the golf cart to a GoPro and drive it around the lawn. Well, not the lawn, it's killing the lawn, really. A spare roof right there. That's all the old parts. Can't drive on the lawn, I'm killing it. So, expect to see some cool videos. Maybe I'll even be driving it in a much bigger space, and you'll have a nice idea of how well this performs. So that's my hand. Hi. So this is Speedy Kitty 1. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is a Yamaha G22 2003. Bye.